Hello, I'm Amelia from Coveya. Join me today in finding out more about these bespoke and robust Easikit 900 flatbed conveyors. Coveya have designed and manufactured these 3 bespoke conveyors for a leading manufacturer of waste compactors and recycling balers. The Easikit Flatbed conveyor is robust and designed for baler, compactor or infeed shredder, as well as picking lines, and can transport 100 tonnes per hour. The conveyor is fitted with a bespoke steel hopper, bespoke side guides and a cleated belt. It has an inverted motor to allow material to be discharged through the tail. It is manufactured with a reinforced body to allow materials to be dropped from a high discharge point. Please feel free to contact us for more information or to speak with one of our specialists. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.